Principal Sister Kripa, Headmistress Sister Salom, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rasmal Mansuri, class KG2. Today I am presented English storytelling competition. My story name is The Thirsty Crow. Once a crow was feeling very thirsty. He looked for water. Here in the air. Suddenly, he saw a pot for water. But there was very little water in the pot. The boy said, the crow is plan. Then picked up a small stones. One by one into the pot. The crow drink water into and flew again. Moral of the story.